Okay, so last class we saw something related to what was that? It is called escape. What is the meaning of this escape, Shivani? Escape from where? Shivani? I'm asking you, Shivani. I can't hear you. We escape from one uh, line. We escape from few spaces. What is it? You remove your headset and speak. I can't hear you anything. Guys, can you hear anything? Only me. Vidul, can you hear anything? So we will say, Iman will say, what is this? Escape. What is that word next to escape? Escape? What did you say? Escape from Uganda. Huh? Unmute and say, escape. Smile. Answer. Smiling is good. Good. But you have to tell. Amal Raj. Escape.
Escape sequence.
Sequences. Escape sequences. We have studied escape sequences. These escape sequence. So what is this escape character? Which is that character we use for escaping? You need a character to escape. What is that? Gauri. Gauri.
Ma'am, the backslash and
Backslash. Very important. It's not forward slash. It's backward slash. Backslash. That you can see on your keyboard. Backslash is called the escape character. Escape character. Escape sequences means these are non-graphic state. It's a statement, but it's non-graphic. It's not producing any character on the screen. Instead of that, it is performing something. It can be a slash n. What is the meaning of slash n?
New line.
New line. What's the meaning of slash a? Slash a.
Bell.
Bell. Ding dong. Bell. Then slash t.
Tab.
Horizontal tab.
4 line.
Tab. That means 4 spaces will be displayed on the screen. Slash p high means 4 spaces, then high will be displayed. Slash l high means it will leave, the high will go to the next line. So a new line. Slash n stands for new line. These are the 3 major important escape sequences that we have to study. And what's the meaning of slash double quote? Hana, slash double quote. Backslash double quote. Slash double quote. Hana, Salim, I'm asking you. Silence is always not good. You say something. Either you know or you don't know. No response. But every day I will ask you question, Hana. Whether you tell me the answer or not, I will ask you. Ashwin. Backslash double quote. unmute. Right? Again muted.
Double
Unmute.
quotes will be displayed.
Double quotes will be displayed. Double quote as itself will be displayed. So backslash single quote. Yourself action.
Single quote, ma'am.
Single quote will be displayed. So whatever you are writing, you no need to write slash plus. Okay, you don't have to write slash plus because plus is not a character in the formatting of the string. So if you have some syntax or some rules which is like single quote or double quote, which is a part of Python language, if you want to display that part, then you have to display slash. You have to write the backslash, otherwise it will give you an error message. So we have seen about escape sequences. I gave you one homework. So how many of you have done it? Area of a circle, isn't it? That was the homework. How many of you have done it? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. Hello? With a power failure. Okay. So very simple program, 2-3 lines of code, and many of you haven't written. So now onwards, last warning for today. So I'll be sending the homework to the group, and the homework defaulters list I'll be writing and sending in the group. That is the only option. Otherwise, these are the basic concepts of Python. That's why I'm taking very slow. One topic, one day. Because this is a base. Need a foundation first. Then only we can keep on bricks and we can build that house. So if foundation is missing, Emmanuel, any usage is there for the house if foundation is not there? Huh? Emmanuel.
No.
Yeah. So we have to build the foundation first. Then we can build up with first storied or second, 2-storied or 3-storied or 4-storied house you can build. But we need the foundation. So escape sequences. Next year also the same topic is there for you as the first chapter in 12. First chapter in 12 is even whether it is IT or CS. The first chapter is review of Python in 11th standard 1. Second chapter is review of Python from 11th chapter. From 11th standard 2. First and second chapter. Because we can't avoid Python, the basics. The basics you are studying in the 11th class and advanced topics you are studying in the 12th class. So don't think that I can study in 12th standard, I will score more marks. No. You have to learn everything, all the basics. Now it's, whether it is online class or offline class, whatever class it is, you have to learn. Okay. Now, so that is all about escape sequences. Everyone turn on your video. Krishnandran, Dia, Meenakshi, Atul, Vishma. You can't say that much data if you turn off your video. Don't think. I can say lots of data and I can view something else in YouTube and I can play the games online. The data is 10 Mbps is the average for Zoom. Okay. Whether you are turning off or it depends on you only. The other screens are, you are getting your screen, you are turning off on your video and you are turning on your unmuted, and the rest of the windows you are seeing that is given by Zoom application. It doesn't have anything to do with your network speed. Okay. Now, so the next thing is, we will do some more operations on strings. Okay, so what is a string? Amal, string, STRING. I'm asking you, Amal, K, Saji.
Yes, ma'am.
String, what is it?
String.
That's what I told just now. Basic concept is string. What are the different data types available in Python? Amal is thinking, what is this data type? I'm hearing it for the first time. Anything like that? Then tell me what is a string? It is one of the basic data types of Python. String is a set of characters. Okay. It is enclosed either in single quote or double quote. Both single quotes enclosing and double quotes enclosing is considered same in Python. Don't forget to study these basic concepts. Then how can you study the next coming topic? You have a foundation programming, then you have a looping programming. Maybe other things we have to study. I can tell you only, right? Again, another power failure, not power failure, came back. Electricity back. So again, switching. So, not wasting my time by advising you, giving you advice again and again and again and again. So, string is sets of characters which is enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. Even a single character which is enclosed in quotes, it is considered as a string in Python. So, it is one of the basic data types in Python. Okay. So, let's see different strings. Yes.
Video is off.
We'll see string concatenation. So, you know, what is concatenation? Or you can say concatenation. What is it? Joining of two strings. Joining of two strings. It is called as concatenation. Okay, joining. So, let's see. S equal to just a moment. Who is the host? Not recording. Okay. So, S equal to is a string, right? Is it a string? Is it a string?
No.
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes.
That was a mistake from my side. I thought it's a single quote, but S equal to in double quotes R. Now, P is equal to okay. This will give you the answer as this is called concatenation. If you add two strings, you will get the concatenated string of both. That is H and T are joined. H is written first, so hi. T is written second, hello. When plus comes between two numbers, you will get the sum. But when it comes between the strings, you will get the joined string as the answer. Okay? That's the first thing you have to learn about string. Next is, so plus operator you can use on string. Now, print S into C. If you write like this, it will be replicator, duplicator. That means the output will be hi. That will be the output. Multiplication operator also you can use in string. Okay. That is the
Ma'am.
answer. Yes.
So, will there be one letter space between high or it will be continuous?
No, continuous. If you are writing like this, then there will be space between one high and next high. Otherwise, because space is also considered as a character. Then, if you write S equal to S plus 10, this will generate an error because you can't add an integer with a string. A string and a string can be added, but a string and a number can be multiplied. It becomes a replicating operator, but you can't add a number with string. It will give you error message. Okay, hope you understood. Now, these are the different string, basic string things that you have to know. Now, the previous question that I gave you, write a program to find the area of a circle. So, how you wrote the code? The first line is R is equal to info, enter radius, isn't it? Enter the radius, then area is equal to 3.14 into R into R. Indentation should be perfect. R, the next line itself you have to write A. Just below R you have to write A. Then print this is how you wrote your program. But my question is, the area of circle is this. You have to write like that. So you have to change this coding to string in bracket the area of circle is close the double quote. And if you want to separate the variable name and the string, you have to use the operator, the simple comma. Comma. So whenever you want to separate your variable and string in string statement, you have to use comma in order to separate it. And my question is, the area of circle with radius r is this. The output should be like this. The radius, this should be the output. Radius of circle, sorry, area. The area of circle with radius, for example, it is 3. User gave us 3. 3 is 3.14 into 3 into, this is just a imaginary, I'm just imagining one number, I'm writing it like 20. For example, the area of circle with radius 3 is 20. So this is a variable and this is a variable. Then how to write the statement? Any idea? This is the variable R. This is the variable area. So it should display like this. Yes, I should.
Print. Bracket. Then in double quotes, we should type up to radius.
Print the area of circle with
Radius. Then we should close it.
Very good.
Double quotes. Then comma R. R. Then again comma.
Correct.
In double quotes is. Close it. Then comma area.
This is how you have to write the statement if you want to display in that way. So separate each and every variable name and string by using a comma operator. So this is another basic thing you have to learn when you learn any programming language like Python. The area of circle with radius, then double quote you have to close. Then since next thing is a variable separated with comma, again coming next thing is a string. So again another comma, then double quote, comma, again. Any doubt on this? Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? So write one homework. Homework is you can find the area of a rectangle. You have to display this same way. Okay. That's all. 9:55. 50. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.